Record already, eh? Okay, so why must I start the class 31st of December? Okay, because you know when is your SPM next year? Not November, it's October. You all got Batuto, right? UBBM, UBBI, right? That one takes 2 weeks. And then Amali take 1 week. So 3 weeks started from October. Sorry? Apple. Hi, Apple. 江捧场很好。没有啦 not 捧场啊 it's okay, 来 continue. Okay, around October or November lah. Okay, so maybe start at the end of October, we don't know, but they say around here lah. Then the writing one would be on December lah. So if we start here to learn Form 5, then you die lah. If we start here only we learn Form 5 because Form 5 we got chapter 1 to chapter 7. But actually the long chapter is chapter 1 to chapter 5 only. Chapter 6 and chapter 7 most like theory. And then actually the question also not hard. In the beginning you will feel hard. But after you do a few questions, you will find out almost the same thing lah. Okay. So chapter 1 to chapter 5 are very long chapters. Okay, and many abstract things. Do you know what is abstract? Means something you don't see. Sometimes you only can imagine, or I show you video animation to imagine them. For example, you can see, I won't see. Okay, for example, this is a magnet. We normally can see magnet only. But what makes the magnet attract something? Attract the iron? Magnetic? Yes, magnetic field. Can you see magnetic field? No. So we only can imagine. So this part, we call it as abstract part. Yeah, you cannot see, but we only can either imagine or we use animation to imagine it out lah. So many abstract part, especially electric. Chapter 1 also, the force will split. Also hard to imagine one. So I will show you video lah. Okay. So that's why if we start here, I hope that of course Chinese New Year we holiday lah. But even though here we already start holiday, I think maybe every Thursday, I still will have 2-hour class. And same thing, if you cannot come, it's okay. You go holiday or what. Please come back and watch the video. Okay? If you already know, this one I already know, like just fast forward lah. It's video, okay? So, and then I try to give you chapter 2. I don't think one month can finish chapter 1. Then during holiday, even though holiday, remember every Thursday, I will have 2 hours class. Then I hope when February, when you come back, we can start chapter 2 and we can do experiment. Chapter 1 only got one experiment you need to do, a spring. So when we come back, we directly do spring. And then we got the Bernoulli Pascal pressure, something I want to show you demo lah. Then after that, each month, each month, we need to finish. So we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't think 7, ah. Don't think 7, ah. Don't forget we got trial. Trial would be around July or August. So we only left 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 months to finish 7 chapters. You understand why we need to start now? You understand why I need to record? You understand why you need to catch back? Okay. For BMBI, you no need worry lah because they don't have syllabus. You all no need chase syllabus, just novel and some Japan only, right? So the normal tata bahasa, normal karangan, you all already know. That's why BMBI doesn't matter one. But the factor subject like physics, chemistry, bio, maths, you need to learn all of that. Science, computer, account. We really need to master all of the syllabus one. All this, you don't skip your class, so if your teacher say, let's have class, you better join, because all of this subject, if you miss one small part, you may not understand the part behind. And then you start to feel, oh, this subject is hard. Then you feel, no need worry, I should feel one. But actually, all of you can pass one. Yeah, even though Cashbin also, Madu already passed. Nitya also pass. Can pass one. Okay? Okay, so, and then don't forget, here, you don't think got time, Here got Hari Raya, and then got school holiday, got many things else, Hari Sukan, Hari Keusahawanan, many lah. Library. Last year, Form 5 say Form 5 is not involved lah. But what I see is, when your juniors suffer on they don't know anything, I'm sure if you are senior, you got experience, I'm sure you will help. So sometimes you need to involve lah. But actually, I hope you all join AJK so that you get Poco marks. And then this year, if got the chemistry, the quiz one, join. Because join that, then your persatuan marks is higher. You understand? I think 10 ringgit or 12 ringgit something lah. The chemistry, it's international, not international, it's national. All of the all of the Malaysian students can join. So you join because I key in your marks. PAJSK. So when you join that, the marks suddenly go up from 60 to 70. Yeah. And then Encik Hanafi also puji on all of you. He said, wah, 4 matahari. Almost half, almost everyone joined. So when I key marks, your marks very high lah. Okay. So and then if got, remember here, except Chinese New Year, I want to rest. Okay. The rest I think every Thursday lah, I will have 2-hour class lah. I will balik kampung. But if you want to celebrate eating, we can make one day after Chinese New Year when school reopen. My house, I'm sorry. No. I know. I also was invited. Yeah. She really like people goes to your house. But I'm sorry, I'm not good on hosting something. Maybe we meet in Quan Lam's house. Or maybe we can exchange gift, present among us. Yeah, among us. After Chinese New Year, February. Maybe we just fix like yes. 啊，可以。We can prepare like something 10 ringgit. No. Yeah. If you don't want to buy gift, you give 10 ringgit also. Or like actually the Sarasa pen, I like to give presents Sarasa pen. Sometimes you can buy quite cheap, 3 ringgit something. If not, it's 4 ringgit something. I'm not sure. That's why I get ready the photostat things. So we start Form 5 chapter 1 first lah. I'm not sure when we can get. And then next year still the same. We use a module and mock. You buy it directly in a bookshop, and then the photostat money I see first. I think maybe less than last year lah. Maybe like 6 ringgit something. Okay. Then what else? I think no more lah. Okay, let's see. Oh, anyone lost your calculator? Oh. It's okay. First of all, want to thanks to Django Sophie. I take his notes. Quite simply and compact lah. Okay. If you want, you can also use the QR. 你要去拿吗？在我桌子旁边罢了。I know most 也没有拿到。去啦。Anyone don't have this? I only photostat 100 copies because I know most of you will never come. So 100. More than that, you photostat yourself or print yourself, okay? Luckily, you come today. Very good. Okay, now, thanks to Cikgu Sophie again. Okay, so now the resultant, we will learn 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 topics. Number 1 is resultant force. So actually, we learned it last year. We also can call it as net force lah. What's the meaning of net? We learned last year. What's the sign for net? Plus, minus, times, divide. Yeah? Yes. Very good. It's minus. Net. Minus. Okay, so actually, how can be minus? So for example, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Or 1 plus negative 1 equals to 0. So when we use plus, actually it's the meaning of sum. Okay, sum of negative. So plus minus minus lah. So 1 minus 1, 0. So the minus can be sum up, but negative direction still 0. Okay. So you must be able to define resultant force. Define means you need to make the sentence tell what is the resultant force. Actually, I teach this on the week before holiday, but I think no Matahari come. It's okay. So we do now. Okay, then you can check lah. Resolution of force actually is we resolving the force. Apa itu resolving the force? The resolving the force we can say separate. But do not use the word separate. You write separate and you cancel it, meaning separate. But we don't use the word, we use resolve. We use resolve. Resolve means separate. But don't use the word separate. It's okay. I believe you will forget. I will remind you. Okay, now we are going to learn forces in equilibrium. What's the meaning of equilibrium? Yeah, thermal equilibrium temperature means finally they will be equal. Equal, yeah. Means forces in balance lah. And finally, elasticity. What is elastic means? Yeah, stretchy, okay? It's stretchy, but also don't use the word stretchy. So 可以叫有弹性啦哈，弹性。So can you please tell me anything in your life got elasticity? Yes, rubber band. Rubber band. What else? Huh? Tire, very good. One thing you always hold in your hand. You click, clack, click, clack. What? Inside got what? Yes, inside got spring. Yeah. Most of the time in this chapter, we are using spring. Right? I believe all of you played this before. Once you finish the ink in one pen, you will take out the spring and you stretch. Do you find out when you stretch to some length, it will never return? Yeah, we also will learn that elastic limit. It's elastic, but got limit, huh? If over the limit, it cannot go back, huh? Right? Now, like number 1. What is the resultant force? It's a must to memorize because normally 8 question, for example, question number 2A, they will ask, define resultant force. Okay, so actually it's like this. And there's I always okay, the definition, I encourage you always start the definition with this. It means resultant force. As the single force that represents the vector sum of 2 or more forces acting on an object. Do you feel vector is familiar? You learn vector in maths. Very good. So, but of course, now we no need maths skill yet. Yeah. But yes, Form 6 university, you need to use maths to solve physics. Now you just use normal maths to solve physics. Okay? If you really want to study physics in the next level, please make sure your MX must at least you pass lah. Okay, 来 vector sum. 什么？你看看慢票啊？哦，因为没有 ABC，没，不要紧，正常，正常，真的。Actually, I heard from NJ Rafizan, around 65 marks is A already. A minus or A. Around 20 pass already. In real SPM, according to the, I'm not sure, we just estimate from trial results. We estimate from trial results. But physics, almost same as your trial results. But physics around 30 marks pass already. Physics are around 30 marks. Means your paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, 30 marks can pass already. So recall your marks. If you over 30 actually pass already. I know some of you might just want to like take physics in the package, but so at least you pass lah, right? But if you can up a grade, lagi bagus. Okay, so now, like, so what is vector sum? It's like this. Okay, so for example, you got vector 1, vector 2. So, for example, you got vector 1 and vector 2. We will cut and paste, so that we get a resultant force here. Yes. Huh? Yes. Can say that. Very good. Yes. So can say that from A to B is distance. Then A to B direct is a displacement. Hope you recall from 4 chapter 1 and chapter 2. So it's a once. So now see what we learned just now. Single force. Can see? Resultant force is we simplify these two forces, make it as one force, one single force. Okay, and this single force actually represents the vector sum. Vector means they are not in same direction. They got some angle. See, this one go here, this one go here. Not same direction. But not same direction, we combine them, become one force, one direction. Okay? Now, so resultant force, it is the single force that represents. Do you know what is represent? Mewakili. 华语叫代表. Okay? The vector sum of two or more forces acting on an object. Like in this diagram, acting on an object. So imagine this box pulled by two people in two directions. Finally, where will it go? Go like this. Okay. 1 minute. Then I simply chose 3 people. Okay, 4 people, including the online one. It's a must to memorize. I prefer you all remember the green arrow. One single force. Okay. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, so next time when I say 1 minute means memorize, okay? 来，噔噔噔，来啦，啊，文熙先，文熙可以吗？可以开麦吗？文熙，文熙可以吗？快点快点，try。好，温熙开住罢了，他人不在，给我抓到了。文熙在吗？文熙？哦，的麦。哦，温熙有在。Single force that represent the vector sum. OK，它只能背一半。Vector sum，来，嘉文。Yeah, very good. One sentence. What is the resultant force? Please start with it is the single force. Vector sum. Yeah, very good. 来，魏忠。Yeah, very good. 你们刚才一排好像都背完了啊。Valerie silence. 啊，it is acting on an object. Yeah, very good. Good. Okay, like so we are going to learn the resultant force by on same direction, opposite direction, perpendicular or non-perpendicular. Apa itu? Let's see. Okay, now if there are parallel forces, if they are in same direction. So our assumption is force towards right is positive, towards left is negative. Actually, if you want terbalik also can, but follow number line is easier lah. See, this is 1, 2, 3. This is -1, -2, -3. Correct? So +1, +2. This is -1, -2. So we follow the direction of your Cartesian plan. Okay, now for example, calculate the resultant force. So resultant force, we normally write net force. I hope you always write resultant force as net force. You name it. 怎么你们两个不用动笔的很久了 Okay, so this is to the right, right? So let's put positive. This one to the left, right? Negative. Right? So we say same direction, we sum up. So we say +8 plus +15. I know you learned this since from 1. So, but please, now still please write positive there to show direction. Actually, here is to show direction. So you will get plus, 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 plus. So you will get 23 Newton. Yeah, lah, positive, we normally know, we normally don't write lah, I agree. But I want you to be alert now. Okay, so now what is the net force here? Yeah, as long as same direction, we sum up, means we plus them together. So it will be -5 plus -10. And because plus minus minus lah, you all learn this in Form 1 already. Yeah, -5 minus 10, -15 Newton. Okay. Then you might ask me, teacher, need to write this in exam ah? 麻烦啦. Actually, yes lah, can. You can directly write this, no problem. No problem. But now I just want to remind you, same direction, you sum up, understand? Okay, so now if the resultant force is 12 Newton, calculate F. So this is positive, positive. This is negative, negative, right? So what is the net force? Net force equals to 5 plus positive F. How to do? Yes, they told you already. 12 Newton is net force. Resultant force is net force. So substitute here 12 plus F. So use your linear equation. T. Yes, so net force, sorry. The F. F is not net force. F is one of the force. Yeah, so it's 12 minus 5, 7 Newton. Okay, then this one, net force equals to, remember, this is negative F. Yeah, negative F. Yes, plus minus 10. Same direction, sum up. But because you learn plus minus become minus, so you know lah. So it will be 12 equals to, by the way, since they are same direction, so we also put the 12 as negative lah. Total force also negative. Total force must be same direction since they are same direction. Amen. That direction, negative means direction to the left. So can I get 1 mark? Yeah, I forgot Newton. Now I test you lah, but sometimes I really forget. But I believe you can realize, right? Okay, now let's try this. If there are parallel force, means parallel means all of them horizontal or vertical, 可以吗？这边还好吗？这边好像很苦恼这样，可以吗？ Okay. Okay, so now same thing. Our assumption is force right positive towards left is negative. Okay, now same thing. What is the resultant force? Remember, use net force equals to, this is negative, this is positive. So actually it's positive 15 plus negative 8. So it's 15 minus 8, 7 Newton. Yeah, you might ask me, teacher, can I like this directly lah? I know already, can, no problem. Can. But I want to tell you, actually they sum up. See, no matter same direction or opposite direction, they still sum up. Okay, so I believe you can do this, right? Answer. Đây, Nam Quân. Sorry, Khăn Lún. Yeah, negative 7 plus 5 plus positive 5 or plus 5. Yeah, negative 2. Can you get? Yes, Newton. Okay. Okay, now same thing like here. Net force equals to negative 8 plus F. So equals to negative 8 plus F. So F equals to 22. Yeah, 20. So we substitute back positive 20 minus 8 become positive 12, correct? This one? 怎么你笑 ？Negative 8 for negative F plus 5。哎，然后变12等于减 F 加5。T 等于减 F，所以 F 等于减7。哎哎 ，F 等于减7，不大对这样。So 如果说这边是加5，哦，所以 F 等于减7，就是 negative negative positive，所以就变成 same direction。Then it will become same direction. Okay lah. Can. Okay, now. By the way, I think when I print this, something not print result. The machine got something blocked on the diagram, right? The diagram like this lah. Okay. Okay, now this is the perpendicular force. Okay, if this is perpendicular force means, for example, here got one box. One person tarik to the right 4 Newton, one person tarik up 3 Newton. Okay, so we will we will cut and paste to make a rectangle, then we take this is the net force. Vector sum lah. Actually, we got two methods. One method is we put the, by the way, this is an arrow. 这是一个箭头. So where? If this is an arrow, here got a feather one, we call it as tail. Then this one we can call it as tip or call it as head lah. I think I will call it as tip because easy lah. Tip and tail. Alright. So here got two methods. One method is you directly draw this. So we call it as parallelogram method. Means you join the tail of 3 Newton and 4 Newton together, tail and tail. Then you make it as a parallelogram or a rectangle. Then you take the net force from tail to the end of the rectangle. So this is your net force. Okay. Another one is, this is method 1. This is method 2. I believe you are not sure what's the difference now. Okay, now never mind, I tell you. So method 2 is, first you cut 4 Newton. Method 2, you cut 4 Newton. You place here. Second is you cut 3 Newton. See, this is the tail of 3 Newton joined to the tip of 4 Newton. Can see this? Then this one would be your net force. Okay? Tail to tip, tail to tip. Okay? Method 1, join 2 tail together. Method 2, tail to tip, tail to tip. Okay, and then since they are right angle triangle, you can directly use Pythagoras theorem. Only right angle triangle. 有在听吗? So if right angle triangle, then I believe you all know lah, 3, 4, 5 lah. But what is the angle? Okay, angle you can use SOHCAHTOA. Or actually I like to say tuakaso. Same lah. Okay. So when do we use tuakaso? See? Yeah, when you get two sides, you want to find one angle. Okay. So let's say if this one you want to get. So since okay, so this is, let's say this is an angle you not find yet. 4 Newton would be your what? I mean, okay, let's recall. Let's recall Pythagoras theorem. Okay, if this is theta, what is the obvious part in this triangle? Hypotenuse. It's opposite to the 90 degrees, right? So now, can you please tell me this line? Yes, we call it as adjacent. Adjacent actually means side. 旁边罢了. Then, opposite to the angle called, yeah, opposite. 啊，什么？不要紧，就他们没有来是他们损失啦。 啊，他们要过后，讲真啊，如果你要我过后再看 video，我也很不想看，我宁愿 join dance 啊。But still got people they like to watch video also can because watch video you can only think of skill you can post teacher talk you can post us all post and summarize and think then continue. Okay, so now if see now we have adjacent and opposite. What is suitable to be used? Adjacent over opposite is sorry. Opposite over adjacent would be tangent theta. So now we will get theta equals to shift tangent of 3 divided by 4. Answer. By the way, who still don't know how to press calculator? $36, right? 你有 shift 嘛？你要 shift 36.869 degrees don't round off don't round off give at least 3 decimals, right? 最好是3个啦，跟回3个啦。Okay, like this. If you cannot press this angle, okay, number 1, you forgot shift. Second, you forgot bracket. Third, you check up there. Is it D or is it R? R is radian. D is degree. Please check. Please change back to degree. Okay, man? If you don't have calculator, please lend from your friend one. Check now. Come on. Neo. Sorry. Okay. So, remember to bring physics lah. If got relief, I come in and then if got my class, come to physics lab. We directly have class. Okay. The technique of using calculator also important. Okay. Number 1, you forgot shift. Number 2, you forgot bracket. Number 3, please check up there. It's not radian, but degree. Just reset all, you will get back degree. Okay? Okay, so now next 7 minutes. Okay, non-perpendicular forces by using scale drawing. This one, this one we need compasses and protractor and pencil and ruler. It's okay. It's okay. Just bring after this. Okay. This one we skip first. Now we see this. Beside calculate resultant force, I also want you to calculate acceleration. By 2. Okay, let's see this. What is the net force for A? So, negative, positive, right? Actually, you sum all up, right? But we sum up here first lah. 2 plus 5 minus 8. Actually, it's plus negative 8, but can directly minus can. Okay, so it will be 7 minus 8, -1 Newton. À, -Newton 不可以，这个的意思是 zero 啊。Why cannot like this? But you can do this negative x because x is a number, n is a unit. Understand? So cannot. X is a number, but n is a unit. Two different things. Okay, now what is the acceleration? Actually, we learned this before in Form 4, which is Newton's second law. F net equals to ma. Okay, you consider this is 2 kg. Consider this is 2 kg. So net force will be -1 equals to 2 kg times acceleration. So what is your acceleration? -0.5 Newton, correct? Please check on your left. Apa ini A? Acceleration. What is the unit for acceleration? Yeah, A equals to -0.5 meter per second per second. 不是 meter per second per second. 可以吗? Please check what's on your left. That's why don't think it is maths. Maths don't need unit, but we need unit in physics. So always put the symbol on the left, understand? Can I write like this? A equals to half meter per second per second. Yes, answer is no. We only can leave it as decimal, all right? Okay, like this one. Do it yourself, okay? This one. Resultant force. Actually, since this is 90 degrees lah, 90 degrees lah, you can make it like you can make it in a rectangle lah, can? Can? So what is the net force? Equals to Pythagoras theorem lah. 15 square 加8 square square root. 15 17对吗？85 17啊，不是咩？啊，17啦。我背起来了的。Newton, yeah. Okay, where is the angle? 来，不是 angle is A or B. What do you think? A or B? A. Yes, A. Why A? This angle. Okay. Actually, is your math also called depression angle? Nah. Like, see, we always use the horizontal line like this. Then we refer to the horizontal line. We imagine that. Now, this is what I say abstract lah. You need to imagine. Then when I look up for elevation angle, can see? Now, this horizontal angle, when I look up, elevation. When I look down, depression. So the angle always start from where? the horizontal line. Yes, so this one is A. So you find A as your angle. What do you think this one is B or C? C, right? A, B. Sorry. A, B, C. Oh, sorry. Yeah, B or C. C. S. We always refer to upper any line. On where is your horizontal line? 5 Newton, right? So should be B going up. Understand? We refer to the horizontal line. Go up or go down. Understand? So find net force and find B. 可以吗? Then this one, we hold first lah. Okay. Then I hope tomorrow got relief. I think I will tell the teacher lah. If got relief, let me in lah. Okay. Okay. That's all for today lah. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Bye, Wency.